Hi there! Today we're going to look at how you can create and categorize your resources. Start by clicking Add Resource. There are two different resource types you can create, named resources and resource groups, and they work a little differently. Let's start by looking at named resources. Named resources are individual people. Start by entering the resource name and then select the role for the resource. Then optionally select the team. The type of information you need to store about your resources is unique to your organization, and this is where tags can help. Tags are custom data you define against your resources. And you can define tags however you want. So you could use tags to record things like skills, locations, grades. Use the Working Time tab to record the days and hours the resource normally works for you. This is used to work out a resource's availability, so it is important you get this right for each resource. And use the Time Off and Overtime tab to record things like vacations, time off or overtime periods. Now let's take a look at resource groups and how they differ from named resources. If you do not need to track and allocate work to individual resources, then you can set up your resources as resource groups. When you create a resource group, you define how many resources are in the group and not the individual people. First give the group a name, then select the group size, this is how many people are in the group, and optionally assign a role. Then you can assign a team, resource tags, working patterns and time off, just like you can with named resources. One thing to remember is that you can have a mix of named resources and resource groups in your resource pool in Kelloo.